So here's an interesting dilemma. If I'm trying to update the information on the new battery that I just replaced on the Lexus GX470, and we're trying to change the date to replace the battery in 5 to 6 years usually is what they recommend, so I'm trying to put in February 11th of 2027, right? So we'll put in 27. Gives you this message, cannot use dates past year 2024. So like this car expires in 2 years. So if I use 2026, doesn't work. If I put 2020, it's already passed, so it's smart. 2020, well, 2050 doesn't. So 2025, again, doesn't work. So I guess we're stuck with 2024. So be it. I'll just know it's a reminder to check the battery at that time. There's also a sticker on the battery that gives you the manufacturer date. Mine was manufactured in January of 2022. So hopefully it'll last till January of 25, 26, maybe 27. Good luck.